This is a Goldhofer tank transporter with a combination of a heavy tractor or a ballast tractor and a full trailer, hydraulic modular trailer or semi-trailer. The tank transporter reduces wear and tear on the tracks and other parts of the crawler vehicle's transmission system. They also help save fuel, cause less damage to the road surface and reduce fatigue for tank crews. They are generally more effective at moving tanks at higher speeds and longer distances than the tanks themselves. Sand mixed with water can sink very easily. The T170 bulldozer is stuck. The more it moves, the sand will cause it to sink deeper.
This is titled, Why Lieutenants Don't Trust Their NCOs.
This is the M1M1 Abrams, is the third-generation American main battle tank designed by Chrysler Defense.
Oh my gosh, it's gonna come up on the side. The water's gonna come up on the side.
The version in this video is the Tank Urban Survival Kit Tusk, which is a series of improvements to the M1 Abrams to improve combat capabilities in urban environments.
Neutral pivot! You'll dig a hole.
With the Tusk system, the M101 allows the tank to be upgraded without having to recall it to the maintenance depot.
Oh no.
However, it will get stuck when used in unsuitable terrain environments like this. The K700 Kilovolts tractor with a giant blade and two Caterpillar bulldozers are on duty to lay communication cables. Communication cables will be pushed into the mud at a depth of 1-1.2 meters. It requires the cable to be tensioned at all times. This is a method that has been used for quite a long time, having existed for about 17 years now. MDK-2M was originally a Soviet Cold War artillery tractor with the chassis and transmission system of the T-54 tank. MDK-2M is used for quickly digging large areas and digging tank trenches. with a digging depth of up to 4.7 m and a width of 3.54 m. The MAN TGS 41448X8 BB Tipmatic with a 10,518cc diesel engine seems to be stuck. The wheels with 13 or 22.5 tires roll around in the ground and almost no significant movement takes place. The M352, a truck, is climbing onto the trailer to attend Teal Soldiers, Florida summer rally with its friends. The LKT-81 wheel loader is struggling to get down the mountain in heavy snow conditions. Behind LKT-81 are long trees tied together so that LKT-81 can pull them down the mountain, the whole tree logging method. The T-170 Bulldozer had just moved into a sandy area with water causing it to sink and be unable to move. The crawler part runs circularly in the sand and has no grip to allow it to move. The sand is too loose. Finally, with much effort, the T-170 was able to gradually approach the dry sandy shore. The GAZ-66 has achieved legendary status in many countries around the world thanks to its reliability, simplicity, and off-road capabilities. GAZ-66, nicknamed Shishigar, a female swamp or forest creature similar to a forest goblin.